Describe a peaceful place that you like to go to.
I want to talk about a peaceful place I would always go to. It is a small cafe named Monash College City Campus near my college. My friends and I would always go there to relax or read books. This place gave us many happy memories. As soon as you enter the cafe, you'll be impressed by the unique atmosphere and decoration. If you look up, you will find the ceiling is a fishing net full of colorful balloons. I'm also attracted by the soft music they play. In this place, everyone can avoid the noise from work or studies because you can taste a cup of homemade coffee while you are reading interesting books. I could spend a whole afternoon there, and sometimes I'll even bring my schoolwork to the cafe. I feel I can concentrate more if I'm in this special place. When I feel tired or sad, I would always go to this cafe. At that place, I can feel at ease and can forget the worries and troubles in life. So I think this cafe is my...
Describe a building in a school or university that you attended.
I'm a junior in Monash College City University. I'd like to talk about the library in my college. I have to say, the library is the most unique building of my university. It's like other buildings made of concrete and steel, but the shape and design are special. If you look at the library from outside, you'll find it looks like a big bookcase full of books. The shape of each window is just like a book. The color is red and yellow because these colors are very bright and attractive. The first floor is a big hall where you can check out or check in your books. All the news books are placed there. On the second to fourth floor, you could find all kind of reference books about various majors, and of course there are also some entertaining books. There are also study areas on each floor. On the fifth floor, there's a computer lab where students can get online or search for books. I love reading, and the gorgeous library makes me love reading even more. I'm glad that our school could have such a wonderful library building.
Describe the ideal home, flat or house, that you would like to live in.
Most people have the experience of dreaming about their ideal house. I also have my ideal house in mind. The location should be in the suburbs because I can have more space to build a big house and to plant my own garden. Our family is a big family, so the house will have 3 stories and a basement. I'll place a piano on the first floor because our family members all like classical music. All the bedrooms will be arranged on the second floor. Each room should have its unique design. My parents are traditional people, so their bedroom should be decorated in traditional Chinese style. I like Western-style decorations, so different kinds of oil paintings in my room will be indispensable. The third floor is the most special floor because my father and I are movie lovers and watching films is our biggest hobby. I will place a home cinema projector there so we could enjoy good films at home. The basement will serve as a storage room for our family, so the house would always look neat. This is my ideal house, but I need money to fulfill my dream. I'll try my best to make enough money for this house, and I hope I don't need to wait for too long.
Describe a room in your home where you spent a lot of time when you were a child.
When I was a child, my bedroom was my favorite because I could decorate it by myself and invite my friends to play with me there. The room was spacious for a child, about 20 square meters. My mom bought a beautiful carpet for me, and I liked it very much because the pattern was a Superman. In addition, the wall was full of different kinds of posters of cartoon characters. There's also a little bookcase in my room, and I kept most of my books in it. Books gave me a colorful childhood, and I could spend hours reading them. When I was a child, I used to invite my friends to play with me in my home. They also liked my bedroom because they could not only appreciate many sorts of posters, but also could play with toys in my room. I felt very happy when I was playing with them. My bedroom enriched my childhood and gave me a lot of joy. I think it's important for children to have their own special place to play in and spend time with their friends.
Describe popular shopping center.
There's a very big shopping center in my hometown. I would always go there to shop and have fun. I like there very much because I can find almost everything I want to buy and can also relax myself at the leisure center on the top floor. There's 6 floors. If you want to buy some daily necessities, you can go to the supermarket on the first floor. For clothes, you can go to the second to fourth floor. There are all kinds of brands and styles for different people. If you want to buy electronic equipment, you'll be able to find there on the 5th floor. After I get tired from shopping, I would go to the leisure center on the 6th floor. It's a great place to relax and have fun. There's a little cinema where you could watch the latest films. My favorite place would be the Magic Show Center. It's amazing that the magicians could show us so many interesting tricks. This shopping center gave me a lot of fun and good memories. I think shopping places should be like that.
Describe a place near a lot of water, such as a river or the ocean, that you enjoyed.
Water is the source of life, and it can always make me feel close to the nature. I used to live in the suburbs, so there were a lot of rivers and ponds around me. There's a pond near my home, and I would always go there to play. There were a lot of fish in the pond, and sometimes I could see people fishing there. Occasionally, they could catch very big fish. You can imagine how people were excited when they got fish on their hooks. It is said that the happiness does not lie in the time when people eat the fish, but lie in the excitement when they catch the fish. I like to stand by them to share the happiness with them. I used to have a small fishing net, and sometimes I would go there to catch tadpoles with my friends. And later, when those tadpoles eventually transformed to frogs, I could hear them sing loudly, especially in the evenings. And I knew I was close to the nature, rather than, like just now, we hear nothing but noise in the cities. There were also a lot of ducks and geese in my neighborhood, and sometimes they also enjoyed swimming in the pond. Seeing them swim freely in the pond without any worries, I felt relaxed, and it seemed that I was there with them to enjoy the freedom. I loved this place, and the pond was very important for the people who lived around it. If I go there again, I'm sure a lot of good memories will come back to me. Describe a garden you like.
I want to talk about the flower garden at my grandparents' house. My grandparents live in the countryside, so they could have a big piece of land to grow flowers and fruit trees. They planted trees around the garden and made them fences. It's beautiful to have trees as fences. In the garden, they always plant various beautiful flowers. There are azalea flowers, which represents elegance and wealth. The pomegranates give very beautiful flowers, and the fruits are sour but contain a lot of seeds inside. I especially like the smell of lilacs, and the purple color is so adorable. Peach flowers blossom in spring, and the peaches are very juicy and sweet. There are chairs and tables set in the garden, so in summer days we could go there to smell the flowers and eat fruit from the fruit trees. This garden gave me a lot of good memories. I think it's nice for families to have their private gardens. Gardens can definitely make our life more enjoyable.
Describe a park or garden that you went to.
I went to many beautiful parks, and I'd like to talk about the park in my city. I liked it because it was very beautiful and big. Since it was spring, my friends and I went to the park to see the beautiful cherry blossoms on the tomb sweeping day. There were many people taking pictures and camping on the grass in the park because they were attracted by the warm weather and the beautiful flowers. It's like a big outing day for everybody. The flowers were very beautiful, and the whole park was like a flower garden. There's also a wide river that ran through the park. You could see people fishing, and there were even traditionally designed boats for tourists and visitors to ride and appreciate the natural beauty from the river. I took the boat to go all the way up to the park and saw other flowers as well. When I got tired, I found there were a lot of well-designed pavilions to provide shade and places for people to rest. I'm glad that I got the opportunity to go to the park because I could feel the coming of the spring and get close to the nature. It's nice to have many gorgeous parks in the city because they provide people with nice places for outing and picnics during weekends and holidays.